What is the problem? Because she knows me never talk nothing bad about him because she there all the time. So she know me never talk nothing bad about him yet. So Cheryl said she call him to find out the problem. Nice girl, big up. Now mind you. How this ya? From where? Oh. You never go so? Oh man. I don't know what look about them boy, I know. I don't know them. Anyways, chat. You never go so? Me ever go so? Don't watch Killy. Anyways, chat. I'm telling you why Jake's upset. Because I never say nothing about it, no. But Jake's not upset off him own. Jake's not upset off him own. Apparently, me did a talk in a general to the chat and I say, no, we don't need him apology. We don't need him apology. Right? Because at the end of the day, he never really disrespect me first. Me tell him go suck him mother. So the two already disrespect each other. So there need for no public apology. Right? Because I not apologize neither. We don't need no public apology. It's not that serious. But anyway, Jakes was trying to prove a point. Jakes was trying to prove a point. I was talking in general that saying the chat must leave him and him baby mother alone for the sake of the pitney them, cause them I break them family and I break the pitney them and I want Jakes fuck back Rosealee, make it bun somehow no, make no shame. Apparently, me no know who Jakes there with. I don't know what Jakes woman. Jakes woman see the screen recording and she felt jealous. She felt jealous. So she sent Jakes the recording. So when she sent him the recording, she expecting him to come deal with that fear. That's why Jakes come for me. Jakes have him woman, and me never attack her, cause me no know who him a fuck, me no know. The part what offend her is when me say, anybody were there with Jakes, there with Rosealee. Cause of the fear make them there with Jakes. Apparently the truth big backs are down. The truth backs are such a vex. Anyway, I never know who they reject. Me don't know who they reject. But Jake's woman, if you see this on any screen recording, no, Cheryl is not Jake's woman. We had pan the story, not too jumpy. So anyways, Cheryl, not Cheryl, Jake's female. Have you seen this screen recording? Come here. Me not even know you, me don't know say they were Jakes. I never did attack you, but if the truth lick you, I'm sorry. If the truth back say don't mama, I'm sorry. But me never attack you, cause me don't know your person. Me never even know say Jake said that one man be true. Me hear and me never believe. So me never know, me just talk out and me so good more. But if the truth lick you, me girl, hush. But me understand say, you send Jakes that out of jealousy where you listen with your emotional ears. And Jakes have to come out here, come make sure say him fix it so you can feel good. I wonder if you feel good now. You feel nice, good pussy? I wonder how you feel. So now that you make me and Jakes disrespect each other, you feel good. You feel proud now. Say Jakes defend you. That cute. Not cute, but so you feel nice. How low on the mentality I go.
Me dear.
Me love. It's low on the mentality go and go. All right, me count no bother with the cousin. My car. Yeah, Andrew no bother with it to our family. Stop it, we are family in here. No chat. We are go on this now. Sorry, Jake's female. If the truth lick you. But Jake's female, if you see this on a screen recording, me have a question for you. How long now? Jake's in a Rosealee background. Jake's did have one page on TikTok. You couldn't look Jakes before him get the fame. Me just ask one small question, good pussy. You never did see Jakes. You couldn't look him before the fame. Just a small question. So like come and lick you without knowing you. You see? Just a small question. You couldn't look Jakes before the fame? Cause we wouldn't have to talk certain things, you know. If you ain't looking before the fame, we never have to talk. Bad to bad. Read out there on all your side. Cause him deserve better. Him deserve good too. He must smash the picnic. He must smash the picnic. So him deserve good too. But girl, come here, pretty girl. If Jake before the fame, you never could have look Jake. Jake sit there on the page of one page long time, you know. So you could inbox Jake and look him before the fame. No. 13 minutes. Question. People talk truth to not hate them for it. No, me no know you, me never know you, they reject. Me still no know you all now. No, me still no know you all now. Me still no know you all now. I don't even know who you be. But you send the screen recording to Jakes, and now Jakes feel some type of way. Because I'm have to defend you. You go for me. No, you can't talk about that yet. Alive you there. Yeah. So anyway, me soon check you. Anyway, chat. Not yet. That Jakes woman, as she cause the problem, chat. As she cause the problem. Jakes have to come out, and me can't blame Jakes. Because if you're there with somebody and somebody says something, and them feel some type of way, Jakes come out here try to give her closure. Closure you want? You soon know. So Jakes come out here, come give closure. You feel good, mama? All right, big up. I hope you felt some good way. But anyway, right? Sandra Brown, listen before you talk. Before me have to suck you up. I mean, I like some of you know. Because sometimes you not even know say people are on the same page, you know. But because you not listen, you not jump in and you hear something, and you don't wait for the moral of the story, nah. You not wait for the moral of the story. You just love to type. And bad behind on a blood clot phone and on a fake page them. Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. You lock off. Wait for the moral of the story. You not too jumpy. Not too enough, man. Like Cuteboss. See how Cuteboss enough as sound enough. Enough, man. And thief no loves the thief with long bag. Anyway, back to this. We judge people all the time, including myself. Because I remember telling you why me judge somebody wrongfully without even knowing, say, me I judge them. Right? You see the part when me say, Rosealee enemy them, take up Jake, send him guy here B and B, because them in a competition with Rose? That wasn't the case. Me hear fully how the case go. That is not the case. So automatically, me judge that situation wrong, and me go highlight it back because me judge it wrong, because me don't know exactly what happened, but me judge the situation wrong. You not hear me? You not hear me? Come out the live, what's your name? Sandra Brown, no make me I am no. Go on, man, before me lose my chain. Moderator, black Sandra Brown. Moderator, stop up Sandra Brown. Stab her up for me fast before she make me lose my chain of thought. Fast before she type again. Don't give her a chance to type again. Moderator, seductive queen. Lady Hips, thank you. Cute. Yeah, don't make you type again. Thank you, sure. I'm telling you something. Enough things going on the app when me no know. All right, Cheryl. Me I go leave out that part there. I leave that part there. But me tell you something. People genuinely want to help people because them know them struggle and them see them struggle. So them genuinely, that's why I did say it this morning, say enough people help with a motive and some are going to help because them see the need for help him and everybody deserve help. Everybody deserve help. Genuinely, people that they are helping, genuine. Now Cheryl is a married woman. Cheryl have her husband, but she's a help of everybody on the app. And Kasha can testify to it. Other people can testify because Cheryl help people off the ear, not really on TikTok. Cheryl is a type of person like me. When people put down people, she try for fill in and lift them up. And people are drag Cheryl on the app because of it. I'm going to tell you something, Cheryl no give me. Cheryl just always come Cuteboss. Cheryl no give me. And Cheryl no have to give me. But me I go stand up for Cheryl because everybody have them right to give who them want give, help who them want help, and put up who them want put up. And even GX have bully fans, Rosealee have bully fans too. And you can't tell people who to give, who to help, and who to lift up. Can we get screen recording with people that put down Cheryl? She free for help anybody she want help. She free for give anybody she want give. She free for send her money go get anybody where she comfortable for get. I tell you, say you know over here the problem. Why you go bring down somebody because them a put somebody at number one? Why? Because the lady, I go put him at number one. Come, I mean, I want to talk for Jakes in the worst. Me just trace him yesterday, you know. But me not like what them a do to Cheryl. Me not like what them doing to Cheryl. The truth, Cheryl know the truth. Cheryl knows me is not against Jakes. Cheryl make sure go to him and talk to him. To him say, such and he make sure know how, why him feel away. Why him feel a certain type of way. No, I'm not Jake's woman. Cheryl is a married woman. We help everybody, multiple people on the app. Off the app, privately. Cheryl is a married woman. We have our husband and our life. But because she see that Jake's situation needs help, she help him. Everybody free to help everybody. Why would the people who love Rosealee I go bring down the woman because she's putting Jake's at number one? Everybody entitled to gifts. And Jake, somebody feel special, you know, coming and talk for you, you know. Me I deal with. Because it is unfair where I reach Cheryl. And the same thing where I reach Cheryl, it a reach me. You know, misunderstand things and bring me down all the time. Well, if Cheryl not like Rose, me can't do nothing to that. Me love Rose and Cheryl can't tell me if you don't like Rose. Me love Rose and Cheryl can't change my mind about Rose. And if me not like GX, Cheryl can't change my mind about liking GX. It is what it is. Me and Cheryl are two different individuals. And it's not that serious. It's not that serious. Me and Cheryl is two different individuals. She like who she like. Me like who me like. Why you not think it for cause segregation? Why you not think it should cause segregation? Why? It is okay for Cheryl like who she like. Me not cause Cheryl because she not like Rosealee. And sometimes that is not the case. Sometimes that is not the case. Say a person don't like a person, you know. If a person don't support a person and them support the opposite person, that don't mean them hate. That's why me did go say the time when me say is a competition. Why them send Jakes at Airbnb? It wasn't a competition. It's a whole different scenario. It was a whole different scenario that I will not speak on. So because me judge a situation wrong, me have to highlight that part. It was not like that. So when me think say Rose enemy them, push him for go Airbnb, that wasn't the case. So I judge that situation wrong and I go and highlight where I judge wrong. Because ain't no way me go come over here, come throw down nobody, deceive nobody, tell lie for nobody and don't correct it. Me not going to do that. We not do that. We are going to correct any mistake where we make because it's so we grow. You don't grow unless you acknowledge where you went wrong and speak about where you went wrong. So how I look on it, it wasn't the case. Girl, don't stop gift Jakes. Attack because of gifting Jakes. And she don't stop. She's a supporter of Jakes. She's going to always support Jakes. Because Cheryl is a type of person like me. It's just that Cheryl pick a next side. But that is the reason why I stand with Rosealee. Because I don't like people burying people. You see when people are bury people, me not like it. So because me say them are bury Rose, that's why I stand up for Rose. So if Cheryl say people are bury Jakes and decide to pick Jake's side and stand up for him, then problem in that. Me and Cheryl are two opposite persons. But Cheryl has respect for me and I have respect for Cheryl. Me and Cheryl is two different. Cheryl never helped me yet and me no want Cheryl help me. No time. But you see the respect alone that Cheryl gives to me from day one, me always see Cheryl coming here. Hi, Cuteboss. Good morning, Cuteboss. Always give me respect. So you see when people give me respect, me appreciate that more than even gifts. Because respect is something when it really comes so easy. Cheryl is a genuine person being put down for something that she don't know nothing about. Because she a push GX means that she hate Rosealee. It's not the narrative. Some of our mind, our expectation is too shallow. And when we judge people based on how we stay. So you see, because some of we stay how we stay, we get up and we judge people based on our lifestyle. Everybody needs somebody in them corner, Amelia, that is it. But you know that serious for the whole of we over here, I tear down and damn up with one another because of what people are do for people. Everybody needs to have somebody in their corner. Me have people who give me when I give nobody else. You have people who give Rosealee when I give nobody else. So everybody deserves somebody where them have in a them corner will look up to them. Me have people who give me when I give nobody. Rose have people who give her when don't give nobody. So if Jakes have people who give him and don't give nobody, me not see why them supposed to have a problem. No, she the only gift her. That me tell her. Me say not because you have good intentions. All of Jake supporters have good intentions. Majority of them still are enable fuckery. But Cheryl I get put on feet because she's the bigger gifter. She's the bigger supporter. She's the emotional supporter. So she a get put down. But the one them who give with the motive, now get put down. But through Cheryl gift them, I exalt him, people vex. Bad mind again. Bad mind again. And the evidence say the gift them a cause the problem over here. No minus the gift from the upper make them go work. Not them we. Me have gonna please on my behalf as a hungry poor chat minus the gift from the app so we can have peace. We go look work. Peace over this blood clot, yeah. And I'm gifting a cause the problem. Because not every gift are bangarang, but some of them are bangarang. But true. But on every gift a bangaram. So uno ease up off a Cheryl back. Uno lego Cheryl shirt. Yeah. Uno lego Cheryl shirt make she give who she want give. And my mind still not change about your GX. But you deserve somebody in your corner to love you and help you grow. Because just like how me I go in a Rose corner and see to it that's a Rose grow. I mean I go stand up for Rose and see to it's a Rose grow. So if Cheryl I go stand up for you and see say you Rosealee can make me echo. You see like how me stand up for Rose, cause I want to see the best interest of Rose, and I want to see Rosealee grow. Yeah, me soon go look at work, Jane. Me soon go.
Mama Sky guy.
Same way how me stand up and Rosealee supporters stand up for her. I same way Jakes need people to stand up for him. I am not with Jakes, but I cannot go against anybody that stand with Jakes. If me and Jakes ever fall out, and me and Jakes not him supporters. If me and Jakes in a fiction, it's me and him, not his supporters.
So to come out. Where should they? Yeah, I don't this so.
So let me tell you something.
Where? Nice.
And if you and Rosealee fell out, I know you and Rosealee supporters them fell out. So everybody have the right to stand with who them feel comfortable to stand with. Because everybody have them own assignment. Everybody have them own assignment. Everybody has the right to choose who they want to choose. So that is not the case. In that serious. Everybody, I will never stand with GX nor against GX. I stand with the truth. But me stand up with Rosealee. And all when she wrong, me I go come talk the truth. Yeah, me tell me a hypocrite for true. Me tell them already. Me tell them already, me tell we know. Me know me a hypocrite. We tell them, me tell them already. The whole already know. So that no news. You no clock no tea. Cause the whole we know me a mix up a hypocrite. I mean the hypocrite. I mean the hypocrite. But yet still, I mean want to see them do better by each other. I mean hypocrite want me attack the truth. I mean hypocrite want me attack the truth. Cause when me did say about Jakes, I want to find the screen recording. Before me cuss Jakes, find the screen recording when make Jakes come after me. And tell me when me say bad. I want hypocrite over here. Find the screen recording when me tear down Jakes before last night. And tell me why Jakes come at me. Since you don't know everything. If you're not back who them love, them against you. But as soon as you start talk on them friend them side, of course, me hypocrite. Because me talk for the two side. Because me not talk one-sided. So I'm me a hypocrite because me talk both side. Me highlight good and bad on both side. Me highlight the good in a GX. And me highlight the bad in a GX. Me highlight the good in a Rose. And me highlight the bad in a Rose. Me highlight the good and the bad in a both of them. But I'm me a the hypocrite. Because me no one-sided. I want to say me one-sided because I have no expectations. I have no favorites them want to have. Maybe because me say me see him with him on a party. Me see him. Me see him with him on a party. When? When? Um, you with a big name, come don't know how to pronounce that. What say you not tell Rose the truth? Alright. Alright, good pussy. Nah, waste my strength. Why you in idea? time I check. When Candy and Rose situation, all Rose people them vex with me. Rose supporter them did vex and a chat behind my back. Rose supporter them did vex and a chat all the thing behind my back. When me come out, come say Rose wrong for trouble Candy. When me did come out, come say, Rose will leave Jakes and stop acknowledge the things that what Jakes a do. If she say she done with him, she fi just done with him and stop come out here and I cuss him. When me did say that, Rose people them it vex too. I see him where them did feel. How uno feel. So uno never see that. Them never did screen record that. Just a small question. Them never screen record that. Eh? It's so good like myself. Uno never did see that screen record there. Come in know them screen record everything. You never see that so good like myself. Moderator stab up that girl there. When I prove nothing to her. I'm suck me. Go on, you ready? When Killy come, I'm gone somewhere. I don't want no problem over here. I want peace. That's why I don't see me as enemy and my spirit irritate to no demon. You know why? Because I don't want the saga to continue. But because when me I do I try find the solution, me I try pick out the moral. Madam First Lady, me I try pick out the moral of the story. Me I try figure out to the depths how we can find peace between both parties. And that me there I try figure. Spin my machine never met me, please.
You not stop spin that.
I'll two spin it and take a spin again.
And three get already.
Spin it back to me. And wipe me a wash.
Wash wipe.
I'm telling you something. You don't want a solution to the problem. You don't want a solution to the problem. Both people. Both Rosealee people them. And both Jake's people them. You don't want a solution to the problem. You don't want a solution to the problem. You don't want the saga continue. That's why you don't like me over here. Come here always I try figure out. Decide how the story go and how best we can fix it. But you don't want that. You don't want the confusion. And the confusion you don't want. You don't want to see them irritate them, bring down them one another to ground zero to nothing. You don't want the peace. The peace. Them gonna want to solve it, but you don't give them the chance. I don't say I want to fix it, but the whole of we over here chatting at everybody business. All of we over here in everybody business. So the whole of we talk. Every platform over here attack. Uno in the comment section we don't have a voice. Uno pa uno finger them bad. Uno better than we behind the screen. Uno we do no finger them we type. Better than we behind the screen. Uno wickeder than we. Cause whole heap of thing me see uno do in the type. In the chat. Uno wickeder than we behind the screen. Uno in the chat. Uno do the most. And when you look uno follow everybody, what uno put up against each other. Uno follow everybody. What uno put up against each other. Uno click the follow for keep in tune. Uno a monitoring spirit. Uno a mash up there, not we. I know we a mash up there, but uno will like to type. Cause uno like to carry news. I love time me over here. I'm not chat nobody or nobody not chat me. I'm soon come in my comment section. Destiny over there cost you. This over there bring you down. That over there bring you down and no go so. And then when you come in the chat and people are gullible, just start go so. But the black card is still coming in for and then Trina card and grab it so. And when them grab it now, and Destiny goes so now, boom, and watch it. And so she don't know what she do, Cuteboss. Oh, Cuteboss has come here, so. What me do, Cuteboss? Because she got clueless. You have to clueless. I saw the fiction them start over here. I saw the fiction. Hey, the happy with Billy, I saw him break you down low. I saw fiction start over here. Who know a bad pound of finger in the chat? Me know how to sit down over here wait for somebody to bring me down, you know. Who no think me no know how to sit down over here wait for somebody to bring me down? You know much place you no go type Cuteboss at chat you? Cuteboss step on you. You know much place you no go type? Can't no wait for Cuteboss to get a bring down. But me have something to tell you no. If anything, Cuteboss are everything. If anything, Cuteboss are everything. So you see anything wanna ball out over here when me tell you no. You know not go live for see that day when me get bring down cause no tea can clock. No tea can clock because Cuteboss and no tea for clock. Cuteboss is a open book. One prostitute. Cuteboss a prostitute. Gunman in Sheol.
What Cuteboss for the app?
Cuteboss are everything that's bad. Remember, me have too good fuck left in my pussy, nah.
Remember Mega Monster.
Me is a prostitute. I mean, I have too good fuck left in my pussy. So nothing over here, you can't tell me if you hurt me when me know about myself. Where me tell you no. Then come here chat. And me never come over here come tell you say, me this and me that and me rare me tell. Me no could have put on me binoculars and hide it. Like how everybody over here have binoculars and hide them business. Like how everybody over here in a binoculars. Hide them business. Me no could have put on me binoculars. Hide me business too. But me nah hide it cause me live it already. And when the boy them when me live it with know. And once them know and no secret. Hey, no secret in the earth, you know. Because we don't know who is who. We are sleep with we enemy. We are eat with we enemy. We are drink with we enemy. We are tell we enemy we business. Nobody know no secret. Because as long as it's not you alone, no, it is not a secret. So if me fuck and suck a boy cocky, I no secret cause him know. Suppose me and him fell out. Him not go ball out, Rose. Rose tell me suck a boy cocky. Where me I hide it for? And him know. And me and him did it. Then when me and him fell out, him not go talk. From our next party, no. I no secret. Independent big up. As long as our next party, no. It is not a secret.
No, women not doing a life today.
So when you hide a fuck it pointless. When you know hide a suck, it pointless. When you know hide a kill, it pointless. When you know hide a bring news, it pointless. Because a second party know about it. And once somebody else know about it, it is not a secret. The only fuck secret I keep is the one with me and my rose and my dildo. Cause the rose and the dildo can't talk. So when I suck on the dildo not tell nobody. When I fuck on the rose not tell nobody. Because it's me alone know. Anything more once somebody know, I no secret. That's why somehow no can't deal with no pot cover when it drop off. Anytime when the pot cover drop off, when you gone in a depression. Because you no think say, you no can't trust people. Me pussy clot. Right now, me not even trust myself. Because every time me make mistake, every time me say me wise, me still I make mistake. Me can't even trust my blood clot self. Cause myself fuck up myself all the while. I can't even trust myself. Because myself fuck up myself all the blood clot while. When it done spin. It bother you here and then you a wash. Eh? Myself fuck up myself all the time. So me can't even trust myself sometimes. Cause sometimes when blood clot, daylight, your shadow left you. Sometime at night time, your shadow left you. You ever walk in the day and see your shadow yet? And sometimes you don't see it. In the night, you see your shadow sometime and sometime you don't see it. Sometime all your shadow walk and left you. A long time you don't see my shadow neither. It look like my shadow she gone left me. Cause it's a while now me not see my shadow. That's why me never trust myself. Not even myself me not trust. Cause sometimes all my shadow lead me to blood clot.
I want pack a whistle.
Money in the green. So anything what two party know or more than one person's know is not a secret. You know see a shadow neither, Lee? Ouch girl, it left for you. A long time you not see my shadow. There's no problem over here. Don't with me when me wrong, me wrong. When me wrong, and when me right, me right. I mean, I need full validation.
Yes,
All right, you sir.
look here, like how me I watch TikTok and you come to bother you.
Yeah. You do, sir. But touch. Lie. Uno gullible bad over here. And uno wicked too. Be innocent people get put on over here cause poor Cheryl. Poor Cheryl, all because she decided to stand with Jakes. Cheryl a go down. I saw Misty go down for me all the while. Every time them bring down Misty. Anytime me I get bring down, them bring down Misty in that process. Poor Misty. Poor Misty, I live a good marriage life. I go down for a big fuck out girl like me. All the while we cried on good people with way. All the while we cried on good people with way. See if you see one boy make him carry go buy a bag of cement for me. See if you see him down on the bottom there. Buy a bag of cement up her arm. Oh good. And 2 bag of sand. 2 bag of sand and a cement. Stop call people name in my life no Rosette. Yeah man, stop call people life. Remember say people man, you know. No. A people man and when him name call them ever there. And them a make the problem. I don't want me and a girl have to drop out. I'm clean them up for them man.
You know more like you come down and pay to the fan
Call nobody name. Me know you more like that you know me have enough man and enough mate. So why you always want to call one man name? Why you always want to do that? You know me have me whole pa man them, and the man have female pa woman them, and you call people name in the life. Why you doing that? You more pa man them, and the man have more pa woman them, and you call people name in the chat. Amanda.
Amanda.
Over here on expectation put people in a problem. That's why Tupac say recollect your thoughts. I'm gonna tell you something. You see what happened with me and Jake yesterday? You think say me I go continue in the cussing every day? Let me tell you something. Me a girl will disappear when me see problem get unbearable and left it in a garden. Me will fight my buckle, you know. But you see, once me see the buckle I get unbearable, me just drop it in a garden. And you see when me drop it pan God, people have to fret. Year one service big up. You see when me drop that in a garden, people have to fret. Cause somebody go and go down. But me know no me. Cause you see the man will defend me, bigger on the whole away. So you see, anytime I say something is getting unbearable and too pressured for me just take the burden and rest it upon God. And you see when me rest the burden upon God, people get thrown down. And here's now it happen. Protection upon my life. Anything come for me, I have to get thrown down. Have to.